Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by softening the sticker's adhesive. That makes removal less likely to damage the surface. First, heat the sticker with a hair dryer on medium for 30-60 seconds while keeping the nozzle 2-3 in away. Once the adhesive warms, slide a plastic scraper under an edge and lift gently. You want the sticker to peel off in a slow, steady motion rather than rip. Make sure to reheat any stubborn sections as you go to keep the glue pliable. Once the bulk of the sticker is off, focus on the sticky residue that remains. Apply a small amount of adhesive remover, rubbing alcohol, or a 110 dish soap to warm water and let it soak for a minute to break down the glue. Then, with gentle circular motions, wipe the area using a microfiber cloth or plastic scrub pad. This removes tackiness without scratching. If residue resists, reheat briefly and repeat the softening and wipe. You finish by cleaning the area with mild detergent and warm water, then dry completely so you can inspect for damage. If the surface looks dulled, a light polish or a protective coating will restore sheen. Make sure to ventilate well when using chemical removers and wear gloves if needed. If you hit a patch that won't budge, try an oil-based product such as vegetable oil or a commercial citrus remover, letting it sit longer before wiping. That usually dissolves the last stubborn glue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.